All right, what is going on, guys? So I got the intake out, and luckily for the racing line, you don't have to take out the entire box. Like if you have the stock air box, you basically just take out the filter, and then you take out the take it off the rubber grommets there, so you have enough space to clear the T30 Torx for the charge pipe. So once you have the charge pipe loosened up, you can kind of press on it down a little bit, and it'll get loose. And then you're gonna need a 7mm wrench to loosen up the clamp right there, as it's a really tight space. As you can see, it's just about the only thing that'll fit in there. So let's go ahead and get this off, and there we have the turbo muffler right there. All right, guys, so I finally got the stock turbo muffler out of the car. It's a lot harder than I expected, especially because the bottom bolt is just so hard to get to if you do not take out the battery in the battery tray. So the side that I'm holding goes into the turbo, and then as you can see, it has these cutouts. So the boost passes through there and has these cutouts that helps muffle the sound. It's kind of more for like refinement, stuff like that, I'm guessing. I don't know, Volkswagen. Here we have the CTS turbo muffler delete, and as you can see, it's a straight piece all the way through. So there's no cutouts for less turbo noise. So hopefully this can help remedy that and give us a little bit more of that spool noise that we all want. So let's go ahead and get this back into the car, and I'll check back in. All right, what is going on, YouTube? Hope you guys are having a great Thursday today. If you guys seen my last video, I did a R600 intake, and once the intake was out, I also installed a CTS turbo muffler delete. Now, if you guys don't know what a turbo muffler delete is, it's basically just a straight pipe compared to the stock piece that has the cutouts in it to kind of muffle the sound of the turbo a little bit. So the installation probably took me an hour and a half, 2 hours, because I just took my time, and I did it outside and it was fucking cold, so it took me a little bit of time. All you need is a 7mm wrench, 5mm Allen, and you're good to go. It's just a really tight fit in there, so you just gotta take your time, make sure you don't drop anything. Keep a magnet handy, that helps, just in case. I dropped like my 7mm wrench once. As far as turbo noise, I could hear a little bit more of like the whooshing noises, like the diverter valves a little bit louder. I know that has a lot to do with the R600 intake, but when I had the intake installed, just the intake, it wasn't as loud, so it's a little bit louder. Now as far as like the turbo spooling, like the hissing sound, you definitely hear like a higher pitched hissing noise when you're in boost. It's nothing crazy, nothing to, that's gonna blow your mind away. It's just a very subtle mod. I think it's worth it, You could hear a little bit more turbo noise, just a little bit more, and it's just kind of something mentally, just like, okay, I've done everything I can to get the most out of the sound. See if you guys can hear. I'm gonna do a couple pulls here. Oh shit! Woohoo! That was a nice pull right there. So yeah, guys, CTS turbo muffler delete gives the car a little bit more sound. Very subtle mod, but I enjoy it. I'm glad I put it in. But other than the sound, the R600 and the turbo muffler delete together, I do notice that the turbo spool is a little bit faster, a little bit earlier in the RPM range, like 2600 or so. That's when this thing is starting to spool up, and it's pretty cool. I mean, a little bit earlier turbo spool. I do have a downpipe also, so it's still in the stock tune, but all these mods together, it's just really woken up the car, and it just has a lot more sound, and you just feel more driver focused, driver involved, and I really like that. So that's what this thing's all about, man. Modding your car so you just get the most out of it, you enjoy it more. That's what it's all about. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments. Definitely a lot more videos to come. I just got a dog bone mount. I'm gonna install that too and do a video on that. So it's literally like a 5-minute install. But that's the video, and stay tuned, guys. Catch you in the next one.